What's up, Tang Gang? It's your boy Tang Kid Reese, aka Famous as You guys. You can go follow me on Instagram at TangKid_Reese. Hold up, TangKid_Reese_10. That's where you guys can go follow me at. And today I got my sister, Tang Kid Raya. Go follow her on TikTok, RichGirl904. Yeah, go follow her on there. Today I got some lemon pepper chicken wings.
I got some, and I have some
smoked
Murray's. These are if y'all don't know what these are neck bones.
Yeah, that's hers. And
Sprite up in the building.
Oh yeah, we also got Sprite. I also got Sprite too. I can't. It's like this is my second time, so I'm not really used to it, but yeah, I'm gonna get used to it.
So I got me some Sprite up in the cup.
So my first video, y'all probably wondering about. I did not edit. I didn't edit that video.
I'm not doing a video.
So my first video, that's all natural. I did not edit that one. And the reason I had to hurry up and do that one, and how I was so much in a rush, is because what happened was, the reason I was so much in a rush is because my thing was going dead. And it was at 4%, in the middle of it. So that's when I had
I'm being so tired.
I started rushing and all that. So yeah, and I think she was in it.
If y'all go check out my TikTok videos, don't spam in the comments that I don't got my hair done. Cause look how it turned out now. Hey guys.
Yo, I'm gonna answer some questions.
Basically.
Yo, here's my first question. She gonna ask the first question.
Do y'all have a boyfriend or girlfriend?
Me?
And what's your girlfriend's name? Girlfriend and boyfriend name?
I don't got no boyfriend. I got homeboys.
What's your girlfriend's name?
Girlfriend.
His girlfriend.
No, don't say it.
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, because if I say her name, then if we break up, y'all be on follow her already. So, I'm not gonna say her name.
So, and I don't have no boyfriend yet.
Yeah. She's getting a boyfriend when she's 50.
Boy, no, I'm not. I'll probably get one when I turn I don't know.
So, I'm going to ask the second question.
But I'm not worried about that boyfriend right now.
My second question is, do I have a dog? Yes. Her name is Megan Lee Stallion. Megan Lee Dog.
Megan Lee Dog.
How many of y'all drink Sprite? I think.
The next question is.
I'm going to give Sprite a shout out. And that's really the sponsor of this video, Sprite. So, guys don't drink Sprite. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. It gives you some refreshing taste.
Next question is, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is seafood.
Yeah, my favorite food is seafood too.
But I like seafood. It's when you eat it, it makes you want to eat it again. And when it's all gone, you dang it, it's all gone.
Cause it's you get full and then the next day you want some more.
Yeah, comment down below if you guys eat seafood. If you don't, then any type of seafood. Just comment down below what seafood y'all eat. Cause y'all telling me, I'm also gonna be in my next coming video, not tomorrow video, but probably my next coming video, I'm probably gonna be posting. I'm gonna be giving some shout outs. But really, I don't even know, but I had to take a break because I really was gonna post again. So I was like, nah.
But he was nah. But back to the question. You asked the question now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Next question. What seafood did you eat?
I eat crab, shrimps, mussels, crawfish, lobster tails, corn. Well, that's not really. Well, everything that I really eat for seafood.
corn, that's not seafood. Corn is not
That's what I
seafood.
said. That's not.
Corn is like a vegetable. I don't know. Google that.
Well, whenever I eat,
A lot of people say corn is a fruit, and then a lot of people say corn is a vegetable. So what is it? Is it a vegetable or fruit? That's what you're not getting.
so now I'm going to this big boy right here.
That was good. It's like when you stop drinking Sprite, like for all y'all Sprite, hold up. And y'all some Dr. Pepper lovers, like my mom, then drink Dr. Pepper. Listen, this thing y'all finna tell y'all. I'm not gonna stop y'all from being y'all.
But we didn't do our thumbnail.
We can do our thumbnail.
At the end of the vlog.
Mhm.
Well, when we get ready to edit the vlog, that's what some people do.
I'm gonna make her a channel today, so probably he might post a video tonight. If you don't, yeah.
It'll be next
What's your thing gonna be?
It's gonna be 10 Kid Girls.
Pancake Grill, sorry, that's gonna be hers. Intro on my video will become. Hold up. My intro on my videos will be coming soon. I got been in touch with my uncle, and we're gonna make an intro. I can see.
Next question. What's your favorite cereal? Huh, do it say?
I can see. I can see all the cereals up there. And
It says, what's your favorite question? Question.
Yeah. What?
My favorite, what's your favorite cereal?
Oh, cinnamon frosted flakes.
I'm not gonna tell y'all because y'all gonna say, oh, I like that too. No, that's y'all don't.
No, for real. Tell them. You gotta tell them. You gotta keep it 100.
Pretty bad, I found Lucky Charms without no honey.
You want Lucky Charms without no marshmallows?
Yeah. Well, mine is just Lucky Charms. I don't know what I just said.
Mine is frosted flakes, cinnamon frosted flakes, whatever you want to say it. Alright.
Next question.
Is banana a fruit?
Murray's.
I'm just joking.
Like.
How did we make our food? You go first. Tell them how you make your neck bones.
I'm not telling them the recipe.
Like, you gotta tell them every seasoning you put on it.
No.
If you don't remember,
Nigga, you lying. Okay, I put vinegar.
you don't know what? Nah, she don't gotta tell y'all because she don't want to keep it 100 with y'all. I want to keep it 100. So, I added, I forgot, complete seasoning, but like,
A whole bunch of bell pepper.
I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna forgot. But because next time when I make some chicken, I'm gonna make it this exact same kind. And I'm gonna record.
Next time he make, I was gonna say next time he make a another mukbang.
Like,
He gonna record how he did it. Basically, that's what he tried.
My Sprite got 200 calories. Serve size for one bottle.
Comment
This
down
is
below
not
if y'all want
the
more.
best. Sprite
This
is like,
thing got my face.
stop. Sprite is not the best.
Bit behind forehead.
Sprite is not the best, but it's it's strong. Like, it's like kind of hard to explain, but it's strong. Like, y'all drink Dr. Pepper, y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all drink Coca-Cola, y'all know what I'm saying. But like, say if y'all drink like root beer, y'all know what I'm saying. But if y'all drink Sprite, y'all really know what I'm saying. Cause like y'all drink any type of soda, y'all know what I'm saying. But like when you first taste it, it's like it's strong. But after like when you first drink it, it's strong, and then after that, it just good.
Our next question is, what do we do for acting? That was a good question, right? What do we do for after? Well, we actually vlog. Basically.
That's funny. Like, we might be doing something. Like, it's like, stop. That's annoying. Alright, so that's gonna end today's vlog.
Mark, we're not even
Like
done.
and subscribe.
You're not even done.
And we're just gonna come back to another video. Peace.